So the entire area is in this watch box until 9 o'clock tonight. But it's not just here. It's all the way down the coast. These are some very strong thunderstorms moving through New York City and also through Long Island. It extends all the way down to Washington, D.C. So I'm most concerned in the next few hours over downpours and strong winds. Certainly, lightning you always have to be concerned with. The tornado threat is way down. In fact, actually the latest information I've had coming in, the atmospheric profiles, I'm kind of backing off even on the threat of that. It's not zero, but it certainly is very, very low threat that we'd have any kind of rotation going on. So here's what happens. All those thunderstorms you see down to the south and out to the west, really converging on eastern Massachusetts between now and midnight. And then they're going to be with us through 3 o'clock in the morning, through 5 o'clock in the morning. Those of you who are early risers, be prepared. There may be some rain out there early. But then, as we head towards 7 o'clock, this first batch is gone, and we're almost done with it. Things settle down for a few hours, because then tomorrow afternoon, we have yet another threat of seeing some afternoon thunderstorms. I think the threat tomorrow afternoon, much less than the threat for tomorrow, but there is that possibility of that going on. That would carry till about sunset, and then it's all out of here. And after that, we have some beautiful weather coming in. So for tonight, remember, there's going to be some showers, some thunderstorms, some of that in the overnight hours. There could be some downpours and gusty winds associated with those thunderstorms. And then tomorrow, I've got early morning thunderstorms, then we go partly cloudy, and then we throw some more thunderstorms in the afternoon. These much weaker variety than what we could see in the early morning hours, so not a big threat for us. As you look over the city, it looks ominous right now with the darkening clouds, but it's mostly because the air is so thick with humidity. 69 degrees on the dew point scale. When is that going to drop off? Well, it looks like as we head toward the weekend. So tomorrow, I've made it an impact weather day. The threat of thunderstorms in the morning, the threat of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Friday, kind of a transitional day. It'll start muggy, clearing skies gradually, about 84 degrees, but the humidity starts to drop on Friday, setting us up for a spectacular weekend. Saturday and Sunday, lots of sunshine, lower humidity, really pleasant conditions. We started on Monday, humidity starts to come up, cloud cover comes up a little bit, and we may have to throw some more thunderstorms into the forecast. That's the middle of next week. In the meantime, we're going to continue to monitor these thunderstorms all through the evening and into the overnight if necessary, and we'll keep you posted if anything does develop out of that. My latest forecast for right now, I'm meteorologist Mike Wonkum.